I just wanted to take a minute to show you our 1-bedroom villa at Disney's Boulder Ridge at Wilderness Lodge. So I'm gonna flip it around and give you a nice little tour. So right here, when you come in, you see you've got a little entryway right here. You got a closet, and up in here is a laundry basket, and we use it to store our small stroller. Also, you have this nice little hanging area right here where you can, hang all your bags, jackets. You can set magic bands, keys, whatever up here. Okay, and then you move into the living area, and I know a lot of people like to do room tour videos, like where it's all like looks perfect and then they just walked in. I'm a little different. I want you to see how functional is this room. Like, what's it gonna look like with my stuff in here? So as you see, we've got some bottled water, we got some chips, we've got a snack bag that we brought. So it's definitely been lived in at the moment. A Keurig comes in your room along with this nice variety of coffees here. We do love the Disney Joffrey's coffees. You'll notice you also have a dishwasher, you have a stove, you have an oven, you have a microwave, and then also, I won't open them all, but you do see that it is fully furnished with all the utensils and things that you need. It also has dish soap, paper towels, and hand towels, which is great. And here you have a cutting board and a pot holder. In the cabinets, you have plates and bowls, which is great. So like I said, you have a whole lot here. You also have a toaster and an ice bucket. And then you have a full fridge. It is not a little small beverage cooler like in most resorts. It is an actual full refrigerator. Then you have your dining area. Then over here, where Ellie is, you have this couch, which is also the sofa bed. This is where the girls sleep. This little storage ottoman right here is a nice little centerpiece, like little decoration in the center of the room, but also this is where the extra blanket and pillows were last night, if I'm not mistaken. And it's on wheels. So, I'm doing this with one hand. So it makes it really easy to move it across the room. We had it over here where the pink suitcase is. We had it over there last night, so they had space. And even with the bed out and everything, we still have plenty of room to move about the room. You also have some counter space and some bar stools over here for extra seating. You do have some little shelves, like these would be great for shoes or maybe electronics or even snacks. And then you have these drawers. These are kind of a funny shape to me. They're not very long, like they're not very deep, but I don't know. They're wide, they're deep, but they don't go back very far. So and I'm not sure what you would put in here. Maybe some really small kids' clothes, but that's about all I can think of. Then you have your TV. And then out here, you have a nice balcony, which I'm not gonna go out there at the moment. Oh, you also have one of the really neat Hey Disney features that's new. It's a new feature in many rooms. So make sure to check that out the next. As you hear, it is talking. Okay. And I love all the artwork in here. They recently refurbished these rooms. It had this very distinctive carpet and all the things, and I really like the way they have redone these villas. Right here you have your washer and dryer, and it comes with laundry detergent. And then you have, it's really like a split bath layout. You have the toilet, a vanity area, and the walk-in shower. I will open this up, but the shower is a very kind of a unique shape, as you see, but still suffices. And then you have a door here, and then you also have another door.
Another door.
Oh, you gonna get that for me, Lucy? Thank you.
Here is another piece of our bathroom.
Another section. We have this nice deep soaking tub.
We have a sink. We got this.
Yep, we have a sink with plenty of storage.
A sink that we did a lock and open. Even though there's no.
There's plenty of hanging space. There's plenty of spaces for suitcases. There is an ironing board and an iron.
We need some tissues. And we need toilet paper.
There's the cute artwork over the tub.
And then
there is spaces to hang like toiletry organizers. So if you're traveling with multiple females especially, those of you with tweens and teen girls, I am with you. Having these features in a room is very important the older your girls get. If you're not there yet, just wait. And then in here we have a little bench area that we've used to store stuff on. You have a full-length mirror. You have Lucy pretending to sleep on the bed. It's a king-size bed. Yep. One thing I like is that there's plenty of places to plug in devices.
And then on this side,
you have drawers. You also have under-bed storage. That's where my suitcase is, just like on most Disney cruises. Then you have this area that Kevin is using to work right now. He's using it as a little desk. We have a TV in here. I wonder what's in this cabinet. Oh my goodness, it's a Lucy. This is a fun room for hide and seek. Oh, you want to see what's inside? It's a Lucy.
Oh wow.
And then you also have the other side of the balcony. So it's a very nice long balcony that goes all the way down.
We got a charger.
Oh yeah, Dad got that today, didn't he?
We got another lamp.
Let me take you out.
We go.
Oops.
We got this wall right here.
Well.
We got a floor with.
Anyone nervous about their room having a balcony? Don't be, because took a minute to open. You want to shut this door, Lily?
It's a beautiful, nice view. We're on the top level.
We're on the 5th floor.
We're on 5532.
5532 is the room number.
And then
here's our view. You can see it's definitely not a theme park view. We can see the buses coming in over here. It's very relaxing, very peaceful out over here.
Yeah, we always
what's one thing I love about this resort? You can see the rest of our balcony.
Yeah, we really like how
Yeah. So
that is our tour.
Yes, that is our tour of our one-bedroom villa.
And
can you tell them it's a one-bedroom villa?
One-bedroom villa.
And what resort is this? Do you remember?
For Wilderness.
No, Wilderness Lodge. And it's
Lodge.
Boulder Ridge Villas at Wilderness Lodge. And do we like it?
Very.
Very much.
And there's like a very good gift shop that we'll do another video and you can see all about it.
Oh,
bye.
Get to that. Bye.